If you were to ask me 3 years ago, do you want a lot of playing cards? I would have been like, yeah, I'm a magician. And in actuality, I would have had 10 decks. Now that I'm a bit more enlightened, let me share with you what $6,000 of playing cards looks like. Now you might be wondering, how many decks do each of those boxes contain? Well, that's half of one box, just 72 decks. That's insane. And if you haven't noticed by now, these are all the Canis Lupus playing cards. The first deck that I have ever designed and what I'm most proud of in all my 14 years of doing card magic. And because you made it this far into the video, let me share with you the first look on these playing cards. Roll the clip. So the date is currently March 31st, and I have just received all 1,200 of the Canis Lupus playing cards. You have no idea how tempted I was to just immediately open these, but I'm gonna do a live unboxing for the first time right here. So they arrived in these brick boxes, and right inside you can see the first decks of the Canis Lupus playing cards. There's the deck right there. I honestly don't think I could wait any longer. I'm just gonna have to go ahead and open this deck up. Now, if at any point you don't know what I'm saying, trust me, I don't know what I'm saying either. Let's go ahead and open these up. Oh, I love this color. Here it is. Are you ready? Oh, yes. Oh, this text came out so nicely. Perfectly even. My God, I'm loving this so much. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. First dribble. Look at that. I decided to go with the a PMS. PMS? I decided to go with the Pantone color because it just looks so much nicer, shinier, reflective. So the backs just look incredible. I'm loving this so much. I can't stop. The two jokers came out beautifully. God, it just feels so good to be holding these in my hand. Oof. They're a little darker than I would have liked, but I mean, they still, the color contrast is just, it just looks so nice. I can't even tell you how nice it looks. And that's the king right there, holding the amethyst gem in his hand. Yes. Oh, where's that king of spades? I didn't even show you the king of spades. Check it out. There is that king of spades. So happy with that card. Yes, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be using these cards all the time. Like, I have over 1,000 of this deck. This is it. This is the only deck you're gonna see. Oh, you're back. Well, since I got these playing cards, there was one thing I was looking really forward to doing, and I think you know what that is. That's right, my little display case is now filled with the Canis Lupus playing cards, along with one full column on my display shelf. I was thinking about doing the entire shelf, but I'm like, nah, maybe that's a bit too much. But then again, I do love these playing cards. Nah, I'll replace the next column when I release the beta edition of these playing cards, and the next column with the next edition after that, and the one after that, and 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 after... Sorry, I just get carried away thinking about the future from time to time. But I'm telling you, this will be my go-to deck, and maybe, hopefully one day, it'll be your go-to deck as well. Ever since I got these playing cards, I've just been putting in all my time to actually package these up, ship them out, and do all that crazy stuff. I had no idea how difficult it was until I started doing it myself. I had no idea how difficult it was to even package like 10 orders. But seriously, I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on this deck. And for those of you who haven't picked them up yet, the shop is now officially open. One last thing, there will be a giveaway happening for these playing cards really soon, so keep your eyes open for that. And now head over to the CardMechanic shop to pick up some of these decks for yourselves, for loved ones, or for anyone, just for anyone you know. And if you look closely in the shop, you can even pick up a deck for people you don't know. But that's something I'll talk about in another video. Thank you all so much, and I'll talk to you really soon. Peace out.